Thank you, Anne, for this wonderful thing. And what you do is adjust this, and then here comes an F1 tornado.
Ooh, what if those were cows and people and houses and trees? Oh my!
All right, F2.
Look at it go. That's awesome.
All right, I'm not done yet. There's an F3 too.
What's that button on the side there, Jack?
The off button.
No, on the right.
It makes noise. I think that's an F3. Yep, it's an F3. Now I'm going to show you an F4. Oh, no, that's not it. This is an F4.
Wow,
And
look
now I'm
at it
going
go.
to show you an F5 on this. In full force. Yep, that is how a tornado starts.
And I do believe this kitchen is an F7. Take cover now.